Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is another video of Seashell Island Beach Resort of Samal Island in Davao del Norte, Philippines. And today I just want you to appreciate the beauty of the resort. So I want you to sit back, relax, and enjoy. So I hope I made you want to go visit Seashell Island Resort in Samal Island of Davao del Norte in the Philippines. In the future, it's going to be worth it, I promise you that. And also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel so that I can show you more beautiful resort or places like this in the future. Thank you, take care, bye.